Matt Fitzpatrick is an English professional golfer. He was born on September 1, 1994 in Sheffield, United Kingdom. His younger brother Alex Fitzpatrick is an amateur golfer attending Wake Forest University in North Carolina. Alex played in the 2019 Ryder Cup. In June 2022, he won his first major championship at the U.S Open with a one-shot victory at the country club in Brookline, Massachusetts, the same venue where he won the U.S Amateur in 2013. He joined Jack Nicklaus as the second male golfer to win a U.S Open and a U.S Amateur title at the same venue. In September 2021, Fitzpatrick played on the European team in the 2021 Ryder Cup at Whistling Straits in Kohler, Wisconsin. The U.S team won 19-9 and Fitzpatrick went 0-3-0, including a loss in his Sunday singles match against Daniel Berger. In December 2020, Fitzpatrick won his second DP World Tour Championship, Dubai, beating eventual race to Dubai champion Lee Westwood by one shot. The win also marked his first Rolex Series title. In November 2016, Fitzpatrick won the DP World Tour Championship, Dubai, by one shot over Tyrrell Hatton for the third win of his career. In April 2016, Fitzpatrick competed at the 2016 Masters tournament, finishing tied for the 7th place. In June, he won the 2016 Nordea Masters and reached the 32nd place in the official World Golf Ranking, his best position to date. Due to his results on the 2015 and 2016 season of the European Tour, he obtained an automatic selection for the 2016 Ryder Cup. In September 2017, Fitzpatrick won the Omega European Masters in Crans, Montana, Switzerland via a playoff victory over Scott Hand, and in September 2018, Fitzpatrick successfully defended his European Masters title in a playoff over Lucas Bjerregaard. Fitzpatrick started the 2015 season missing 6 cuts in the first 8 competitions on the season. In June, he registered a 3rd place at the U.S Open, quickly followed in July 2015 by 2nd place at the Omega European Masters, a shot behind Danny Willett. He finished his rookie season on tour with 1 win, 9 top 10 placements and a 12th place in the final order of merit. In November 2014, Fitzpatrick entered the 2014 European Tour qualifying school, where he finished in 11th place and qualified for the 2015 European Tour. In September 2013, Fitzpatrick enrolled at Northwestern University to play college golf with the Northwestern Wildcats. However, he left after 1 quarter in January 2014 to pursue a full-time amateur golf career. Fitzpatrick won the 2012 Boys Amateur Championship at Notts Golf Club. In 2013, Fitzpatrick won the U.S. Amateur, which earned him invitations to the 2014 Masters Tournament, U.S. Open and Open Championship, provided he remained an amateur. The U.S. Amateur win took him to the top of the World Amateur Golf Ranking, which earned him the Mark H. McCormack Medal. In September 2013, he played in the Ryder Cup.